x square plus 79 square equivalent to 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. This is one question which I took from simplification. There are two ways to solve the question. One student who belongs to the hereditary of Ramanujam, who can tell the squares of the number very fast: 91 square 8281, 86 square 7396, 48 square 2304, 88 square 7744. If you are damn good in squares, cubes, you can answer. But I am not interested in this one. I have seen a lot of students wasting 2 minutes to solve this question. Wasting 2 minutes to solve this question. If you ask me, yes, online teachers, how we teach in our paid course. Yes, online way. Simplest way, easy way, fastest way, and probably the most time saving way. X square plus 79 square is 172 square minus 88 square minus 8203. How I will solve this question, or how my enrolled students will solve this question? I will use a 4th class NCERT textbook concept. I will never get into advanced concepts. I will solve this question in 2 ways. Method 1. I do not know all these squares and everything. 172 is an even number. Even square is even. 88, it is an even number. 8203 is an odd number. 79 comes right hand side, it is an odd number. Even minus even, even. Minus of odd plus odd, even. Answer should be an even number. The greatest success of SSC CGL administrative body is in creating wonderful questions. The greatest success of ACE Online is to teach you the techniques using various ways. One way is only one option is an even number. Kel Katham. Answer is 86. Answer is 86. Sir, how you solved it? It is an even number. It is an even number. It is an odd number. Odd number comes to the right side, odd number. Odd plus odd is even. One smart student might counter question me. Hey Anil sir, what if it is 74? You ask me a doubt from 18 years, I might have seen that doubt in my 4th year, 5th year. You will get 2 questions in your mind. Sir, what if the answer is 74? One more smarter student will say, sir, what if the answer is 96? What if the answer is 96? Now see here. Another way, I am not interested in the 79 square, right? Ramanujam's high speed calculations is not required. Only forget every number other than the unit digit. Forget every number other than the unit digit. 9 square is 81. 2 square it is 4. 8 square is 64. 3. Only unit digit only I will concentrate. 4 minus 4 over. Right? So 1. If you see 1 comes right hand side. X square is minus 4. 10 minus 4 it is 6. Answer on square unit digit should give 6. 6 square is 36. There is a unit digit method, there is an last 2 digits method, there is a rightmost non-zero digit method, there is a number tree method, there is a divisibility rule method. We can use a lot of methods to simplify the problem. Today the entire session is to give you a glimpse of how you should solve aptitude problems through a prism never seen before, because that is exactly what we do in our ACE Online. For us to clear our examination and reach the destination, not only aptitude is required, we have reasoning, we have verbal ability, and we have GS. So let us also look at problems from other topics, reasoning.